Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show what I received in my fab bag for the month of May 2018. So I've just received my fab bag and this is how this month's fab bag looks. So let me show you all the products one by one. I have three cards here. The first card is the renewal offer card. It says 10% off coupon code renew10 for next month's bag. That is, I would be getting 10% off if I use this particular coupon code for my next subscription. The second card that I have here is hashtag in my fab bag contest card. It has all the details describing how to participate in this particular contest. And the third card I have here gives all the details about the products that are that they've sent in this particular bag. The theme for this month is the Beauty Project May Fab Pack. This is how the card looks. So let me quickly open the bag and show you all the products. So the first product I have here is the Femme Detan Creme Bleach for active tan removal with orange peel. As we all are already familiar with this particular brand called Femme, so the MRP for this particular product is 40 rupees and the expiry date is 1/2019. So the second product I have here is from the brand Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Sunblock Lotion. Broad spectrum UVA UVB protects and mattifies. So it is a sunblock lotion which is in the matte form. So it's not going to make your face oily. It has SPF PA++ 30 and Blossom Culture Aroma Magic is a really good brand. I have used a lot of products from this particular brand and I really like them. So this is a sample size product and the price is not mentioned here. So the expiry is in March 2021. The third product I have here is from the brand called Rocco 2-in-1 Scrub and Mask. This is of 25 grams. This product can be used both as a scrub and also as a mask. It smells like coffee. This is how it looks. It is of 25 grams and the ingredients are 50% Arabica and 50% Robusta organic coffee. So it has coffee in it. In the ingredients, it has Rosol clay, kaolin clay, raw jungle honey. So the ingredients of this particular product really sound great. I'm really excited about using this particular product. So it says some people may be allergic even to natural ingredients. please do a patch test first. This is a cruelty-free, no SLS, paraben and phthalate, no artificial fragrance and fresh ingredients. So this has all the fresh and natural ingredients in it. So that's about it. The third product that I have is another skincare product. This is from the brand Tijori. It is a night skin repair exceller. So this is of 10 ml. The MRP of this particular product is 999 rupees and the expiry is in January 2021. So it's basically a night serum or a night exceller which you need to apply at night before going to sleep, and it's going to help in repairing your skin. So now we have two makeup products this month in our fab bag. The first product I have, this is Nel Velvet Touch Creamy Matte 100% Vegan Lipstick, and I'm in the shade number 2. Let me show you how the lipstick looks. So this is how the packaging is. Let me show you the swatch. This is a beautiful mauve pink color. This is the same color that I'm wearing on my lips today. So it is a matte lipstick which is very comfortable to wear and it feels very lightweight. The MRP of this lipstick is 799 rupees and the expiry is 221, which is February 2021. So the final product that we have here is from the brand Nel. It's Nel USA Professional Eyeliner. This is how the outer packaging is. This eyeliner is made in Germany. It is waterproof with vitamin E and it is dermatologically tested. So I've received it in the shade green. And I've already tried it. I've applied it on my eyes today, on my eyelids. So those were all the products that I received in my fab bag this month, and I pretty much liked all the products and I'm very excited about using all these products. So I'll see you in my next video, and before I let you go, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, also to like and share this video. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.